Hello, welcome back. This is our last lesson on Introduction to Inequalities, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about how to write down integers that satisfies two given inequalities. Sometimes it's best to use number lines to really decide the integers that will satisfy given inequalities. For example, we're supposed to find out the solutions for x is bigger than -4 and x is less than or equal to 3. What sort of list of solutions will satisfy both inequalities? So the best thing is get a number line and represent both on that given number line and look for where they will overlap. So to represent x bigger than -4, this is what x bigger than -4 looks like. Let's represent x is less than or equal to 3. Okay. Now, after this, we see that they overlap between -4 and 3. So we need to list the solution between these two ranges. But you got to remember, you take into consideration whether the dot is shaded or not. So because this dot is not shaded, we begin our answer from -3 all the way up to 3. So the solution that satisfies both will be -3 all the way to +3. Let's look for the second one. X is bigger than 1 and x but less than or equal to 3. That's one inequality. And x is more than -5. We need to list solutions for both of them. So represent them separately. That is the first inequality. X is more than -5, so that's -5, and more than -5 all the way to the right. They overlap between 1 and 3. So to state the answers, check the dots whether they are shaded or not. This dot is not shaded, so we begin our answer from 2 and we'll have to end it with 3. So the solutions are 2 and 3. Last example, x is bigger than or equal to -3 but less than or equal to 1. That's one inequality. And x is more than -4. What are the solutions? Let's represent them. This is the number line for this inequality. They are both shaded because it's double sign here. Now for the second one, that is the inequality, more than -4, not shaded on -4. They overlap -3 to 1, and they are both shaded, so the answers will be from -3 all the way to 1. So that brings us to the end of Introduction to Inequalities. Look forward to videos on how to solve inequalities. Thank you for watching and share with your friends.